This is my bike check. Starting out frame. It's a Fit Eddie Cleveland, first one. Moving on to the stem area. Got a Fit Down Low regular in Rasta with a Odyssey gyro. Bars are S&M Grand Slam XLT and a M2 lever for the gyro and animal grips. Moving down to the fork, got the Director forks with a Vandera 2 complete front wheel, the hub and hazard rim, and KHE tires, the Park ones. We got the Profile Racing cranks and the Odyssey pedals, the stolen sprocket, just a basic chain. In the back we got a 7KA rim on a Profile hub with 14mm hollow axle, and running 28.9 is my ratio. We have fly brakes with clear pads, another KHE tire matching one, and I have a railed seat, super cool one, and the seats fit, and the post is shadow, and my headset is Odyssey, and that's about it. So thanks.